It's been a long time coming. When the cathedral was dedicated, we were fortunate enough to have one half of the organ, and that half of the organ has been wonderful for the last 5.5 years. But we always hoped that we'd be able to finish this instrument, but we never dreamed that it would happen so quickly.
And always a nice challenge to install organs. It's always different. It's always different places, and it's really fun to be able to be here, and gives us the satisfaction of the work we've done, because even at the factory we hear it, but it's not like the final thing. It was just like here, it's like the second part we're adding. So to hear it completely would be very a pleasure. Yeah.
So we're so excited, so blessed for this opportunity to finish this amazing instrument. It's a unique instrument. It will be a one-of-a-kind, absolutely the best organ in Tennessee, if not the Southeast U.S. And it's going to really support the liturgy and support our efforts here in music ministry at the Cathedral.